at that moment, it really just kind of clicked. I had an epiphany or self-realization, like how cool of a profession that would be to, have that impact on people and to be able to give back. Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Mike. I post weekly yoga and workout videos. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about how and why I became a yoga teacher. So this is a video I've been wanting to share with you guys for a while now. I've really been wanting to try to connect more with you guys on a personal level and kind of share a little bit more about my life with you all and vice versa. So yeah, if you want to like and subscribe, that really supports the channel, and I really am grateful for all you guys that are subscribed and who are watching right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments at the end of the video, be sure to let me know down below, and I would be happy to correspond with you all. So let's get it. Alright guys, so I'm going to rewind a little bit, a few years. So I'm 25 years old now, and I think I first discovered yoga when I was 19 or 20 years old. I remember my brother, he played college hockey for 5 years, and after every season he would come home for the summer. And I remember he came home one summer and he was telling me about this yoga class that he took in college. And immediately I was just really intrigued. I've never really heard of a yoga class being taught in college, and up until that point I really haven't given two thoughts about yoga. I just didn't really care. I always thought yoga was for girls, whatever, never thought twice about it. But my brother being, somewhat of a role model in my life, it really kind of intrigued me when he was telling me about this. So I went and did my first yoga class that day. And I remember, clear as day, I remember it like it was yesterday, just lying in Shavasana, just feeling the most natural sense of euphoria, the most natural kind of high that I've ever felt before. And it was amazing. Immediately I was just hooked. And I've been doing yoga pretty much every single day since. For those of you that don't know, I'm very passionate about personal growth and development, and I'm a very disciplined person in that sense. So yoga has been part of my daily routine for, like 5 or 6 years now. And I remember a couple of years ago, I was visiting my mom in Coronado, California. Beautiful there, it's like my favorite place. But I was visiting her for the holidays, for Christmas, and as part of a Christmas present for me, she got me a 2-week unlimited yoga pass at the local studio there. And so basically you could go and do yoga as much as you wanted for 2 weeks. And so I was going there like once or twice a day. And I remember about a week into that 2-week trial, basically I was starting to notice the pattern. And basically at the end of every class, there was like 1 or 2 students, or sometimes a lot of students, going up to the yoga teacher at the end of the class and just thanking them like so much for the yoga class and what it did for them and how it made them feel. Some people were coming in with probably some stress or anxiety, or everyone's dealing with their own problems, and they were coming into the yoga studio, and at the end they were just leaving so refreshed, so peaceful, so full of love and gratitude, and they were just kind of sharing this with the yoga teachers. And I thought it was so cool to see that. And at that moment it really just kind of clicked. I had an epiphany or self-realization, like how cool of a profession that would be to have that impact on people and to be able to give back. Because I'm a big believer in you get what you give. If you want love, give love. If you want peace, give peace. If you want joy, give joy, etc. And so, it really just kind of hit me, like, that would be so awesome to be able to give back and have that be your profession, because who knows how far that spreads. I'm sure you guys have experienced some sort of, effect of that. If, maybe someone holds the door open for you, or someone gives you a smile, and, that just kind of brightens your day, and you go and pass that on, it's like the ripple effect. So But yeah, it really just it stuck with me because, I'm 25 years old and I've probably worked, over a dozen jobs in my life so far. And I've never really felt fulfilled at any of the jobs I've worked at. I was never really overly passionate about any of them. There are some that I liked and I'm grateful for because I've met a lot of, cool people who I still keep in touch with today. And, some of the jobs I learned a bunch of things and I grew in a lot of ways, but I was never really, totally passionate about anything. And so after that yoga class, after that self-realization, if you will, I went right back to my mom's house where she was living at, and I immediately started looking up yoga teacher trainings and did a little bit of research on that, and ended up going to Costa Rica about a month later, which was such an amazing experience, just life-changing. I'm going to share that video as a separate video because it's just such a cool experience, and I saw a bunch of cool footage from that experience, so stay tuned to see that video. But yeah, that's basically how and why I became a yoga teacher, and kind of the reason I started this YouTube channel now, which, again, to be personal with you guys and to share some of my personal goals with you. My goal is to eventually become a full-time YouTuber, being able to teach yoga and workout videos to all of you. So for those of you that are subscribed, your support really truly does mean the world to me, helping me pursue a dream of mine, really. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments, be sure to let me know down below, and I would love to engage with you on those. And yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. As always, I will see you in the next video. And if you would like to see more of these kind of vlog style videos, I don't really do a lot of them, but I was kind of thinking about making more of them. Again, let me know down below and I will be happy to make more. So yeah, I hope you all have amazing days. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.